So hey guys, how are you all? Hope you all are absolutely fine. So first thing first, happy Raksha Bandhan to all. So today we didn't celebrate because of my sisters live in Panvel. They doesn't come here because the trains and all are not working right now. So they are courier me my Rakis. But my mama has gifted my mom one phone. So today we are doing the unboxing of that phone. You have seen the thumbnail and the title of this video. You get to know that which phone is it. So let's begin.
Hello, Moto.
So guys, here is it. The phone is Moto G8 Power Lite. So the prices of this phone is 10,000 and you can get it in some offers and all in approximately 9,000 or 9,500. So let's unbox it. So guys, this is the retail packaging. I have opened it because I have to check the phone.
Nothing in written in the box, only it is written the battery life and the screen ratio.
Three camera setup over here, and I have chosen. My mama has gifted my mom the royal blue color. Okay, so let's open the box. Nothing much on the box, only the logo and the photo of the phone behind. So as we open the box, we get the phone over here. It has a massive battery of 5000 mAh. Yes friends, means the battery will last long as 1 day or 1.5 day in your usage. It depends, but it will be nice phone however, because it has the massive battery and my mom doesn't play games like me. She only use for WhatsApp and Facebook and all, so it will okay for her. And the screen display is 16.51 centimeters, means is really a big display. Mama has gifted me 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage. So let's keep the mobile aside and talk about what we get in the box. So here's the box. First we get the screen guard over here. Think so we let me see. No, it's not extra. We have to put this into it. So it is given manual and all paperworks, and inside it we got the SIM ejected pin, a 19-watt uh, charger, and a USB cable. It's micro USB. So this is all what you get in the box. So let's take the phone now. So guys, here's the phone and it's came the most interesting part in my unboxing. I like that part, that is this. Oh, the satisfaction. Think so every unboxer like this. So as you can see, it's royal blue, the color, and we get that case attached on the mobile only, and the speaker grill is down. Think so it sounds way good. Let's see how it sounds. And the case is silicone case over here, as normal case we get. The main scene is of the phone. Yes guys, as you can just see that fingerprint scanner has the logo of Motorola and the trio setup over here, and the mic also. The phone is not that way slim, but it is slim, and it has a mic down also. So I have first only reboot the phone and all. but let's see how its camera does work. The phone is not that much heavy, but it has 5000 mAh battery. It is not that bulky, but it is. Wait, here's the phone. So it's quite good. It is not for that level gamers. It is not a gaming phone, but we can play PUBG and all in this. But it has the power. I know it has the power to control it, but not that much that gamers need. But it is the day to day working phone, because the price range also is not that high. That 10,000 means it is the budget phone, and it is a Motorola phone first of all, guys. So let's see the camera.
So guys, this is the bouquet mode. This is the simple selfie, and this is the front camera, bouquet and simple photos.
So guys, 16 megapixel camera and 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel micro and ultra lens, and in front, as you know, 8 megapixel. So it's quite good. It's not a camera phone also, but 16 megapixel, it's enough as this budget. It has a powerful processor and all. It is a good phone. As you're working and not playing games and all, if you are a teenager, this phone is, I not recommend this phone. But if you are working, this phone is quite good because it has 5000 mAh battery. Processor also good in this price range. So this is for this video. Hope you all enjoy this. If you are new to this channel, please go and subscribe. After a long time, I have uploaded tech video. So subscribe to this channel. Comment below for my next video. Which video should I make? Like this video and share this. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.